Hello, welcome to the Sumo Biology online classes. The question shared by you. Question says in a cross between individual homozygous for AB. Okay, A B B. Cross with wild type. Wild type के साथ आपने cross करा दिया. Okay. In this cross, 700 out of 1000 individual are of parental type. So in the progeny that are produced, progeny by means of crossing between these two, 700 are of parental type out of 1700. It means 70% showing parental combination and 30% showing recombinant. So the frequency, recombinant frequency is 30%. It means they are situated at the 30 map unit from each other. Student use the recombination frequency for mapping linked genes that are situated over the same chromosome. So answer is 30 map unit. I hope it answers your question. Thank you.